Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to send Ethereum from Robinhood to Trust Wallet in 2025. With the latest updates in crypto regulations and app interfaces, this process is smoother than ever. Whether you're looking to take full control of your ETH or just exploring decentralized wallets, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Robinhood app updated to the 2025 version and your Trust Wallet ready to go. Start by opening the Robinhood app on your smartphone or computer. Log in with your credentials and navigate to your portfolio. Find your Ethereum holdings, it should be listed under your assets. Next, tap on your Ethereum balance to access the wallet details. Look for the Withdraw or Send option. In 2025, Robinhood has made this even more user-friendly with a one-tap feature. You'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address, so switch over to your Trust Wallet app now. Open Trust Wallet, select Ethereum from your list of assets, and tap on the Receive button. This will generate a unique QR code or address. Copy that address carefully to avoid any mistakes. Head back to Robinhood and paste the Trust Wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to transfer, double-check everything, and hit Confirm. You'll see a transaction fee estimate. In 2025, these are often lower due to improved blockchain efficiency, but always review it. Once you approve, the transfer will initiate. Now, the waiting game. Ethereum transactions typically confirm in a few minutes, but it can vary based on network congestion. Keep an eye on both apps for updates. And just like that, your ETH should appear in Trust Wallet. Before we wrap up, a quick tip. Always use hardware wallets for long-term storage and never share your private keys. If you run into any issues, Robinhood's 2025 support chat is a lifesaver. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you next time.